Komisi Bentah Pynlait ban penjanai bat Pynkhlain yang kerukuam terekam bat ekejing ajing syakri gi Pulit gi Paidbah ha kejela. Ha kasi thok ding jong katayo ke Tnad Pulit kejela Meghalaya kala Pynlong ya kejing elang ha ke Police Officers Mess ha Golf Links. Ha ke bala plat Paidbah ki kali ki Thuk ki kali recovery ban bat kiwe kenang ba ke Tnad Pulit jong kejela kan yo ban pendon kam yaki.
Okay. Go 1, 2, 3.
Hagini kesni Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat bat ki sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela katau ba Presiden Tensong bat uba asnyau balang dhar bat ke Menteri Ketrat Kakot Kakhya Dr. Amperin Lengdo bat kiwe. Kila pelaj ki prapo teli ki kali Bolero sispa saupu teli ki Thuk hendreu teli ki kali kren nak benta ki Pulit Kejela Meghalaya. Habakarana gejing ngalang Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bagane gejing thiet ki kali kedai kebahe atam ha Tnad Pulit. Bat ulihat ho belas samru ikitiar ke bakongsan Shah ke Shillong Traffic Police bat iki kor komputer laptop bat kiwe na kebentar ki officer ke badan ha ke Lenggi district. Menteri Rangba ulong bagajing syam ke sorkar kene ke senjam ke Dainamar bagadon gejing temu ban Pynkhlain bat penjanai ke rukom terekam jong ke Tnad Pulit ha kejela bat banla ban gejing syakri ke bab ha shosho yaki Paidbah kejela.
So we are here in the police guest house, and today we have had a very important program where we have just now flagged off 80 Boleros meant for all the police stations and different outposts throughout the state, and we have also flagged off 140 bikes. This must be and is the largest single order and flagging off and vehicles being provided or being bought by the police department in the entire history of the police department in the state of Meghalaya. And I'm sure that this will be a big boost to the overall infrastructure and the setup and the logistics that are required to provide good policing. And I wish them the very best. I would like to congratulate and thank the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister under whose leadership this has been made possible. And I also would like to thank the DGP who has been a very key and important person to push this proposal through. And under his leadership, many such reforms are taking place today in the police department. And we hope that with all this work and all this investment, we will be able to serve the citizens of our state in a much better manner. Thank you very much.